YouTube, what's that? YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Right, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. We're sipping on, or I'm sipping on, Heaven Hill tonight. You already know. Brugal, my ass.
Es que no puedo.
And before we get into this vid, gotta give a shout out to Kingpins, premium pins and accessories. You know what I'm saying? Got the pins for the cap. You already know it's spooky season. Jason and Freddie, you already, and that rhymed out. But anyway, yeah, man, not only do they got the hat pins, you can put them in your jacket, your Crocs, like she tried to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Try to steal my flow. But yeah, check them out. And you use my discount code Orchard Beach. Save 20% when you cop more than 3. I don't see you copping less, only more. Kingpins, you already out. And before we get into this vid, woo, candy time. Yeah, so anyway, man, I've been seeing that sour candy challenge, and I said, brother, we finna do it. You know what I'm saying? This that the mega sour, boom, boom, boom. Not suitable for children under the age of 8 years old. He gonna have a fit, he see. He gonna be like, ah.
No, they don't make things walking in there.
You ready?
I don't know. Why you give me? Let me read.
No, I'm just playing.
Wow.
Ja.
Oh, I like it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. I said I wasn't going after him, but if I could get them for my rib, I was definitely gonna get these. The Jordan 1, the Satin Bred joints. I didn't want them, but because it was a female sneaker, and I thought that they was for kids too, but it turned out it said girls, and I was like, all right, cool. So shout out to Sneakers, they allowed me to get these joints under retail, so I said, yo, why not? You know what I'm saying? Hell, I always felt that she does need like a classic Jordan sneaker. I wanted to get a pair of 3s, but you know, this will do for right now. So yeah. These joints are satin right here, all satin upper. Let's what you think? So you like?
Yes.
Yeah. You hide. Size 6.
Merry Christmas.
Try this one on. All right, hell yeah. All right, cool. Cause I didn't know. I was like, oh, what is it? And I was like, yeah, 6.5, and boys will be whatever. Oh, and these joints come with a nice little tote bag. You can, you know what I'm saying? You can go to Key Foods and the lady will bag like 2 of your groceries for you. That'll be $1. No, it won't. But anyway, man, let's get into it right quick. Boom, you got your sole right here. It's the Air Jordan 1, patented sole, red sole, Nike Air and the swoosh right there. Boom. And at the top, you got them stars that definitely gonna get, you know, yeah, I can see it. Yeah, you're gonna be hell on the stars. But yeah, there you go right there, red sole. We're gonna take it to the medial side. The medial side, you see hits of that red sole right there. White midsole, you definitely, you're supposed to keep it clean.
You remember when I was there last week in the new sneaker? I come home to my sneakers.
1 out of 7. Remember that time you had the cup? Hey, anyway, so now the upper, all satin upper, straight satin. You got your red color blocking right here. The mid panel is black. Got your Nike swoosh right there, red around the ankle, and then black around the collar. The eyelets are black, of course, and then got this section right here, wrapped around the toe box that's black. Boom. We'll take it to the lateral side, the side that gets all the what? Y'all ready? Boom. So bam, lateral side, same as the medial side pretty much with the sole. You see hits that red sole right there, white midsole, red color blocking right here. You got your mid panel is black, red Nike swoosh right there. Hell yeah. Up by the ankle is red. And you got your patented Air Jordan 1 lettering with the basketball on the wings right there. Black eyelets where the laces go through. And I believe they do. I saw it. I think you took it out and lost it. They do have red. You touch.
Pause.
Now they got it though. We'll find it. We'll find the red. We will definitely find the red. You know what I'm saying? or you'll take your lipstick and take the laces and now we're gonna take it to the toe box. Wrapping around the toe box is black. The toe box itself, it's satin. Now you notice on the toe box, there are no perforated holes on this toe box. It's just there for you to crease up. That's it. Yeah, so no perforated holes. Boom, you got your black laces. The tongue is satin. You got your Nike Air lettering tab with the swoosh in red. We'll take it to the back of these girls. Speaking of back, seeing you in the kitchen. Starting to get your little figure back. I see it. You know what I'm saying? Take it to the back of these girls. You see hit that red sole right there. White midsole. Red color blocking. This that red satin right there. You got that swoosh breaking up the red. Going through it to the back. That's black. You got your little tab right there. Kind of splitting down the middle. Also red color blocking up here. And then your black collar right there. Will he do it? Will he do it? Yeah, made it. Let me see. Yes. We will. The insole is red. Nike Air lettering in black. If I missed something, I did miss something. You got your metallic laces right there with the Jumpman logo and 4 holes.
It's Jordan.
Yeah. Oh.
No,
Thank you for your review. I appreciate that. So yeah, if I missed anything, my bad. We're actually not gonna do that. Was just a joke about the candy challenge. I'm probably gonna do this on like a I'm gonna do a different video on this. But yeah, I just wanted to surprise you. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, and before you wear them, I have to get video of them outside. So
look at this.
Oh, I told you. Where'd you get it? And don't scream in my ear.
Watch who you talking to. I'm not one of you little flunkies.
I just play. Don't scream in my ear. Welcome back. Where you find this at? So yeah, it does come with red laces. What you gonna do? You think about like doing one red, one black? You know what I'm saying? You ready for DR?
You heard me for the Scarlet rapper Scarlet. You remember my
So
outfit?
this gets me 4 days chilling in Dominican.
No.
2?
Never. You together do what?
Yeah, but
No.
2 days. I can catch you this.
1 day, 2 hours.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Airbnb.
He think he's single. He has married. I don't know.
I have Airbnb.
He wanna fly.
Yeah.
Every 2 months,
What?
me alone
But
in the house.
my YouTube is what? Not sitting home. They don't give me. Yo, come get the Airbnb because you be at home. Okay. Okay, don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we eat. You go to the bathroom. You come out. Diache. Yeah.
When you come home in New York, big problem.
If you diache.
Don't say the ash in New York in the house.
Diache.
Thank you. Bye.
So anyway, we're about to get up out of here. What's up next? I keep BSing. I do got a Timberland video. I believe I do got a Timberland vid coming. I do. I keep BSing on that. I got another sneaker rotation and possibly got a discussion vid that I'm gonna possibly do. You'll see it after this. But anyway, yo, shout out to the Wave Mile. Shout out to everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that snaps. Oh! God! It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.